The Cabrini Switchblade is the kite that defines the essence of kiteboarding. Loved by beginners, intermediates, and pros around the world, it combines the perfect blend of performance, reliability, and ease of use. Its balance and smooth on-demand power delivery make the Switchblade incredibly easy to fly. Whether you're working on your freestyle game or pushing the limits of big air, the Switchblade offers a level of predictability found nowhere else. New for 2020 on all kite models is Cabrini's exclusive new NANO Ripstop kite canopy material. The new smaller ripstop pattern increases the amount of cells in every single panel, while the all-new coating is locked into place using a special plasma treatment. This leads to a more rigid and better performing kite that's more durable, longer lasting, with double the tear strength. For more information on this or any of our products, please visit cabrinakites.com.